How to make extra virgin coconut oil at home. When you go out, you need to choose the oldest coconut. The older you choose, the more oil you can get. In this photo, I prefer to choose the brown color, the one that grown bud. Okay, after you pick your coconut and you choose the best one, now it's time to peel it and then grate it. There are many ways to get coconut milk. The local Malaysian call it santan. In this video, I'm gonna show you an example how to get coconut milk at home. But of course, there are many ways you can get it in the market. After you grate it, now you can mix it with water and put it in the blender to get the coconut milk or santan. As I explained at the beginning of this video, the process of getting coconut milk that I show you in this video is just an example. I personally prefer to get the coconut milk in the market because in the market they have sophisticated machine and I can save my time. And in Malaysia, the price of the santan is very cheap. That's it. Just like the cow's milk or any type of milk, the coconut milk contains oil, water and curd. The curd is something like cheese or yogurt. In the previous video, I show you how to separate the oil from the water and curd by using the heat. But that one is not extra virgin. In this video, I'm going to show you the process that we are going to extract the oil using the cold process. We know that the oil and the water has different density. And if we leave them in the room temperature for a while, they will be separated by gravity. The room temperature in this process is between 26 and 28. After 24 hours, the oil and the curd and the water is separated. The other plastic bag, I put it in the freezer. Now it's frozen, which takes longer time to separate it. By using the loop of a string hanging from the nail. is frozen. Now we check the time. We leave it. The room temperature is 26. After 7 hours, 28. And after 24 hours, you can see the oil and the water and the curd. They are separated because they have different density. The heaviest particles go at the bottom of the plastic bag. Now the question is, how to separate the oil and water from the plastic bag? First of all, we need to prepare filtration. We choose a strainer. I prefer to choose the rectangular shape strainer and a pot that is deep enough, and cover it with a tissue paper. This is the filter. Now take the plastic bag. Make a small hole with the scissor at the bottom of the plastic bag. And let the water go out first. Control the hole. Don't rush. Let the water go slowly, and when you see the oil, you close the gap. Okay, little bit more, and now close the gap and trap the oil inside. We already separate the water, but the question is how to separate the oil from the curd. That's why I prepare the tissue filter. We use the tissue filter. We pour the curd and oil on the tissue filter and leave it for 1 day, for 24 hours. Set the time. The room temperature is 26. After 7 hours and after 24 hours.